Sustainable, traceable, American cotton. Verified every step of the way, from seed to shirt. Because today's purpose-driven consumers want to know more. More about what we produce, and more than ever, how we produce it. And now, we've connected one family's legacy of sustainable cotton production to another family's legacy of making normal apparel, the new norm. All through one common thread. Nutrien Ag Solutions is taking the common thread of sustainable, traceable cotton from dream to reality, making it possible to prove a cotton item is 100% made in the USA. It all began with the sustainable production of Dyna-Gro cotton at Heath Farms in Soperton, Georgia. And once the bales were ready for pickup, the Nutrien Ag Solutions ginning facility in Statesboro, Georgia, took over and ginned the cotton. Next, Hill Spinning in Thomasville, North Carolina, spun the cotton into yarn. And a little over 100 miles down the road, Contempora Fabrics knitted the yarn into fabric. Then, the knitted fabric was sent to Eagle Sportswear in Middlesex, North Carolina, to be cut, sewn, and trimmed. And finally, the Normal brand in St. Louis, Missouri, conducted quality assurance and stamped their final approval on their proprietary hoodie product to complete the common thread. Common thread is an example of how Nutrien Ag Solutions and their proprietary sustainability platform, Agrible, helps growers improve their operation, generate new revenue streams from sustainability and traceability programs, and ensure long-term success for future generations. In addition to leveraging the Agrible platform, Nutrien Ag Solutions partners with Applied DNA Sciences to read the cotton's genetic and natural isotopic fingerprint. Their cutting-edge technology also provides anti-counterfeit tagging at the cotton's molecular level, proving that what's on the shelf at the Normal brand is 100% made in the USA, from seed to shirt, with the cotton grown right in Soperton, Georgia. At the end of the day, cotton is more than a crop. It's a thread that runs through generations of growers, working to provide for their families, for their communities, and for future generations. Common thread was a dream. It's now a reality. And like that Georgia cotton now weaved into the shirt on your back, all those involved are forever connected through one common thread.
You know, we never see an end result, but now with this right here, we'll be able to see what it's used for.
Taking it through from seed to shirt is something that we're really proud of, and it's a story that we know our customers will love.
I love cotton, you know, it's just in the blood. This is something my daddy's done, I've done, my grandparents have done.
I grew up in a family that farmed. My family's farm today is still growing cotton. It's great to be able to do something in that seed to shirt program that's in North Carolina or in the Southeast. It's putting people to work here in the U.S., making a product that's being sold here in the U.S., and that's tremendous.
Sustainable, traceable, American cotton.